In this video, I'll show you how to delete all types of viruses and unnecessary files from your Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop in 4 simple steps. These steps are quick, and by the end, you'll likely notice an improvement in your system's performance. Start by clicking on the search box at the bottom of your screen and typing Disk Cleanup. You'll see an option for Disk Cleanup appear. Click on it. When prompted, select the C drive, which is usually where Windows and most programs store temporary files and other data. Take a look at the list and check each box, including Recycle Bin if you don't need the files stored there anymore. When you've selected all the boxes, confirm by clicking OK. Disk Cleanup will begin removing all of these unnecessary files. Once that's done, we're going to go a step further by cleaning up system files. Go back to the search bar, type Disk Cleanup again, and open it. When it opens, this time, click on Clean Up System Files. This option digs a bit deeper, allowing you to delete old update files and other large system files that are no longer needed. After clicking Clean Up System Files, Disk Cleanup will show you more options and will estimate how much space you can free up. Check all the boxes here again, and once you're ready, click OK. It will now delete unnecessary system files, freeing up more space and helping improve performance. Next, we're going to remove temporary files stored in different system folders. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the text field, type temp and then click OK. This will open a folder containing temporary files that Windows uses for different processes. Press Ctrl plus A to select all of these files, then press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. Deleting them permanently ensures they won't stay in your recycle bin and continue to take up space. Now, we're going to do the same thing for another set of temporary files. Press Windows key plus R again, but this time type %10% and hit OK. This will open another folder with more temporary files. Again, press Ctrl plus A to select all files, and then press Shift plus Delete to permanently delete these as well. For the last set of files, press Windows key plus R once more, and type prefetch into the Run dialog box, then click OK. Just click Continue. Inside, you'll see files that Windows stores to help applications load faster, but they can accumulate and slow down your system over time. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything in this folder, and once again, press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove all these files. After deleting these, close the folder. Go to the search bar, type MRT, and press Enter. This is the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal tool. You'll see 3 scanning options. If you're short on time, choose Quick Scan. Otherwise, I recommend the full scan for a thorough check. The tool will scan your files in the background and remove any detected threats. For additional security, I recommend downloading a tool called Malwarebytes, which is effective at detecting and removing different types of malware that the built-in tools might miss. Open your web browser and search for Malwarebytes free download. Once you're on the Malwarebytes website, download the free version. Follow the installation instructions, which will only take a few minutes. After it's installed, open Malwarebytes, click Scan, and it will start scanning your entire system for malware and potentially unwanted programs. This scan may take a while, depending on how many files you have, so just let it run. Malwarebytes will list any threats it finds, allowing you to quickly delete them. After you've completed all of these steps, it's essential to restart your PC. Restarting allows Windows to refresh and apply any changes from the cleanup process. Once your PC boots back up, you should notice a smoother, faster experience with no lingering malware or unnecessary files taking up space. That's it for today. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. We'll be bringing more tech tips, tutorials, and solutions in future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.